plus px square plus qx plus r equal to 0. So a value 1, b value p, c value q, d value r. Given alpha, beta, gamma are the roots. So we know that S1 equal to minus b by a minus b value p, a value 1. So S1 value minus p, S2 equal to plus c by a plus c value is q, a value 1, S2 value q, S3 plus d by a, sorry, minus d by a, minus r by a value 1. So S3 value minus r. He wants a sigma 1 by alpha, 1 by alpha. Expanding this sigma, alpha, beta, gamma. First letter is a 1 by alpha, second letter 1 by beta, third letter 1 by gamma. Sigma means addition. 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta plus 1 by gamma. So convert this one into in terms of a S1, S2 and S3. So take a LCM alpha, beta, gamma. Alpha, alpha cancel. Beta, gamma. Beta, beta cancel. Plus gamma, alpha. Gamma, gamma cancel. Alpha into beta. So this is nothing but alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is nothing but S2. Alpha into beta into gamma is nothing but S3. So S2 value is Q and S3 value is a minus R. Minus R. So sigma 1 by alpha equal to Q by minus R. Roman third bit. Sigma alpha square beta square. Already we calculated in the previous problem. Sigma alpha square beta square equal to S2 square minus 2 into S1 into S3. We calculated this one in the previous problem. So sigma alpha square beta square equal to S2 square minus 2 into S1 into S3. We know all these three values. Substitute these three values in the equation. S2 value minus Q whole square minus 2 into S value minus P. S3 value minus R. So Q square equals Q square plus into minus into minus plus into minus 2 P R. This cubic equation alpha, beta, gamma are the roots. So S1 alpha plus beta plus gamma equal to minus P. S2 value minus P by 1, that is minus B by a formula, minus P. S2 value alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha plus Q by 1 equal to Q. S3 value alpha into beta into gamma minus R by 1, that equal to minus r. So he wants the value of a alpha plus beta into beta plus gamma into gamma plus alpha. So this is nothing but, listen carefully, alpha plus beta plus gamma is given minus p. From this one, alpha plus beta equal to minus p minus gamma. Beta plus gamma equal to minus p minus alpha. Gamma plus alpha equal to minus p minus beta. We substitute these three values. So alpha plus beta equal to minus p minus gamma. This is minus p minus alpha. This is minus p minus beta. So multiply these three. Take minus common. P plus gamma. Take minus common. P plus alpha. Take minus common. P plus beta. Minus into minus equal to minus. Next, multiply these two brackets. P plus gamma into P square plus P beta plus P alpha plus alpha into beta. Multiply these two brackets. Minus of P cube plus P square beta plus P square alpha plus P alpha beta. Multiply with gamma plus P square gamma plus P beta gamma plus P alpha beta plus alpha beta gamma. So this equal minus of P cube. Take P common, take P square common. We get alpha plus beta plus gamma. From these three, take P common. We get alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha. Last term, alpha plus beta plus gamma. This is nothing but S1. This is S2. This is S3. So minus of P cube plus P square into S1 plus P into S2 plus this is S3. We know the values of S1, S2 and S3. Minus of P cube plus P square. S1 value minus P plus P into S2 value Q. S3 value minus R plus P cube minus P cube cancel. Multiply with this minus P cube minus plus R. So final answer is R minus P cube. Equation is x cube plus qx plus R. There is no x square term. That means coefficient of x square is 0. So write in the order 1 x cube 0 x square plus qx plus r equal to 0. So a value, b value, c value, D value. Given alpha, beta, gamma are the roots. So S1 value alpha plus beta plus gamma equal to minus B by A. B value 0, A value 1. This implies alpha plus beta plus gamma equal to 0. S2 value plus C by A. C value Q, A value 1. This implies S2 value Q, S3 value minus D by A, D value R by A value 1. This implies S3 value minus R. He wants beta plus gamma whole power minus 1, gamma plus alpha whole power minus 1, alpha plus beta whole power minus 1. So this is nothing but 1 by beta plus gamma plus 1 by gamma plus alpha plus 1 by alpha plus beta. We know the values of only S1, S2 and S3. Convert this equation in terms of S1, S2 and S3. So from this one, alpha plus beta equal to minus gamma, beta plus gamma equal to minus alpha, gamma plus alpha equal to minus beta. We substitute all these three values in the denominator. That means 1 by beta plus gamma equal to minus alpha, 1 by gamma plus alpha minus beta, 1 by alpha plus beta minus gamma. Take minus common, 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta plus 1 by gamma. Take LCM, minus of alpha, beta, gamma, LCM. Alpha, alpha cancel, beta, gamma. Beta, beta cancel, gamma, alpha. Gamma, gamma cancel, alpha into beta. So this is S2, this is S3, minus S2 by S3. S2 value Q, S3 value minus R. So minus Q, S2 value Q by S3 value minus R. Minus minus cancel. So final answer is Q by R. And a reminder, when this equation divided by x minus 4. So we apply the synthetic division. Take the quotients 1 minus 6 plus 3 plus 24 minus 24 divide by x minus 4. So take 4. Suppose there is a plus 4, take minus 4. There is plus 3, take minus 3. There is minus 3, take plus 3. In the synthetic division, first put in this place 0. Listen carefully. Adding these two, we get 1. Multiply this and this. 1 into 4 equal to 4. Adding these two, we get minus 2. Multiply minus 2 and 4. we get minus 8 right in this place. Adding these two, minus 5 into 4, minus 20. Adding these two, we get plus 4 into 4, plus 16, we get minus 8. This is x power 4 coefficient. First one is the x power 4 coefficient. After one division, we get this is x cube coefficient, x square coefficient, x coefficient and constant. Therefore, quotient is x cube minus 2x square minus 5x plus 4. This is the remainder, minus 8. So this is the how to find the quotient and the remainder. First take the all coefficients in the order. X power 4 coefficient 1, x cube coefficient minus 6, x square coefficient 3, x coefficient 24, last constant minus 24. In this method, put to 0 in the first place. Division by x minus 4. So take a plus 4. 1 into 4 equals 4. Adding these two, we get minus 2. Minus 2 into 4 equal to minus 8. Adding these two, we get minus 5. Minus 5 into 4, minus 20. Adding these two, plus 4. 4 into 4 equals 16. Minus 8. This is the quotient. This is the remainder. This is x power 4 coefficient. So first one is the x cube coefficient, second one x square coefficient, x coefficient and constant. So quotient is 1x cube minus 2x square minus 5x plus 4 and remainder is minus 8.